Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these rainbow cupcake toppers. If you're interested in the unicorn cupcakes that you can see in the background here, then you can click the tutorial link above, or I will also leave it in the description. Okay, let's begin. So firstly, I'm using some purple modelling paste. This is the last colour that you would have in your rainbow. So I roll it out into a tube, and then I like to use my cake smoother just to roll it out further. This prevents any kind of bumps that you might get using your hand, and you can keep rolling it until you get to the width that you like. So I use white modelling paste here, which I coloured purple using food colouring paste, and I'll leave a link in the description to my blog post which tells you all the food colouring paste and gels that I used to create the colours for this rainbow. And now I'm just going to use the bottom end of a piping tip to help create the shape by just placing the purple tube around it and just leaving it there to set while I make the next one. So the next colour up is just made in exactly the same way. To attach the next colour up, I just use a little bit of clear alcohol to act as a glue. You can use edible glue, but I like clear alcohol as it evaporates away, leaving no mark. So I just wrap it around on top, just making sure it's secure, and then I just repeat with the other colours. So here we are, all my colours are there. I'm just shaping it further to make sure it's the shape that I like. And then I'm just going to come along and I'm just going to trim it with a knife. I like to use a big knife so you get a nice clean cut where you don't drag the paste. And then I just neaten the edges with my fingers before leaving it overnight to air dry. So the next day I stuck on some star sprinkles using some piping gel. And then once that was dry, I just placed it on top of my cupcake. So you can also make larger rainbows like you can see here. You just need to make longer tubes of colour and have a larger circle to mould them around. For this rainbow I used a circle cutter. So I really hope you like this tutorial. Please comment, like and subscribe for more, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.